There she goes. Crushed it. Boy, that 500 runs nice. Go boo, 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 boo. Right, go boo, 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 boo. Right. You know what? I'm gonna. Welcome back, everybody. We're gonna split up this old balsam here. This old Grand Fir. We're using. We got the Tom Joyner. It's a little chilly out here, so I got these gloves on. I don't know how well it'll work, but we got the Tom Joyner Adirondack single bit. Dandy, dandy, dandy little axe. I love this thing, Tom. It's awesome. It hits pretty hard for not a very big axe. I hope you're enjoying these little these videos on different techniques, different things. Just trying to throw some stuff out there, you know, that, like I said, that might help people. This is another one. Turning a smaller axe, if you're in, you know, in fir wood and softer wood, or I don't even know. I think you could split hardwood with it, to be honest with you. I mean, you got to pick your battles, but I mean, not every piece of hardwood can be impossible to split. Not every piece. I just don't see it. I don't see that happens. See that? If you hit that, and I hit it pretty hard, sometimes it splits, sometimes it don't. If it doesn't split and it sticks, sling it up on the block, and away you go, right? Right. Works really nice, Tom, for picking up wood. It's a beauty. Oops. Then I knocked it off there anyway. Trying to be careful. Such a nice little axe. I've got the 4-pound high test over there too. That's another dandy. Hear how hard that hits? See how much different the angle is? Splitting it on the ground. Hitting it with the toe, as opposed to hitting it center bit. The angle of the head is downward anyway, right? So the chopping block helps. Do I lose momentum? Yeah, probably. But with this Adirondack, you gain it. It's a whip. Hence, the lighter weight axe head that some may shy away from because it is light for splitting. But with the combination of this handle, there's nothing wrong with it. See? Shanking it off the outside, right? See that? Knots. Still goes through. Not every piece of wood has to be split the same, right? See that? Shanking off slabs, right? Off the outside. Got a nice night log right there out of it. See that? Yep. It's a beauty. Oh, no more. Split again. Yes. It just has a different feel to it. The handle just absorbs so much of it. It just like falls apart. from it. Awesome. That is a dandy axe. High test, 4-pounder. On a Whiskey River 30C. That's all I need. It's halves. For bringing up the pile in the pickup, right? Sun's trying to beat through that fog. Whew. A little heavier than I thought. Alright. Now I'll get to throwing some in the pickup. Get it out of the way, huh? Oh, Adirondack. Pretty sweet axe. You notice these pieces here are quite a bit shorter. It's another reason why I cut wood the way that I do. I don't just like, I usually don't cut it all up enough for a whole load, you know? Because sometimes when I, just like this time, when I get to the end rick, when I get to the last rick out by the tailgate, I might have cut a few too long and the regular length ones won't fit, so I just cut shorter ones to fill that gap. It's either that or go home without that back rick filled or leave the tailgate down. Well, I choose to just cut wood so I can close my tailgate. Yeah, seems to work pretty good. We've talked about this before. I want to swing that 4-pounder, that high test. Huh? Yeah? What a beautiful axe. What a beauty. What do I need here? Halves. Look at that. She's a beaut. I might have to cut one more piece. I won't have to cut one more piece. It's right here. It's my chopping block. There it is, folks. Beautiful. The old Yoder's chained up on the front. We just got chains on the front. We don't have a whole lot of snow, but there's enough snow on that road. There's other vehicle tracks. So there is some ice underneath there. What a beautiful spot, huh? Look at that view. Oh, yeah. The sun's trying to come out over there a little bit, right through there. Yeah. It's just beautiful in here. Yep. Let's go around. Let's go around here. Yep. Beautiful. See if we can find the sun shining on one of these trees. Oh, there we go. Way up there. Sun shining on that snow. Wow. Maybe we'll get some good photos on the way out of here, huh? The old beat up Yoder. Yeah. Pretty fortunate to be able to be up here this time of year. It might be the last trip up. I want to thank everybody for watching, for hanging out, supporting the channel and supporting the community. Yeah, the snow's coming. We're going to get some more snow and it's going to get super cold, so I'm glad I got all this wood. Really glad. Helping other people out with their firewood situation and keeping families warm. Yeah. Gosh, it's quiet. So nice up here. I just love it. All right, I gotta get this load down the road. Love y'all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling. Got the old snowshoes on. Yoder snowshoes. Stay tuned.